So we're just discussing it earlier a bit. What sleep are you when you wake up?
You feeling
pretty hungry?
I didn't find your page.
Then we'll play with the other one.
That's pretty good into its eyes, isn't it? Wow.
Yeah, but Kevin, seriously, I thought bears were fierce.
They are fierce, Chloe, if they feel threatened. We're not threatening him. We're not teasing him, are we? We're just letting them be, Chloe.
Yeah, I'm really shocked.
And there's his buddy in there. Can you see his buddy in there?
Okay.
Hey?
There's two.
Of course there's two. There's always been... Can you see two at the bottom?
Yes. There's two more here?
No, these are the same two.
These are the two that have been here for years?
Yes, since you were born, Chloe. They were they were only a year old when you first came, I think.
You can't go closer.
Oh, I'm tired.
Oh, there's the other guys right here.
It's the same two people I've seen.
Oh, cool.
Cooler.
Are they male and female? Or both
Oh, we're gonna go closer.
No, you can't, Ethan.
Why?
You never know what they're into. It's a long winter.
Look at they're fighting.
Kissing. Yeah, I'm seriously. Oh, I think you're right.
They're not eating. You see that past that thing? No, I go farther there. No, I go farther here.
It's taking shifts of going down the bottom.
Yeah.
Alright, I guess it's my turn.
Here. I'm gonna go here.
I don't even know what they
Whoa.